Today we're talking Easter decorations. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is super easy, super quick. I think that you can do this in no time, and it actually gives you something really cool, which I hadn't expected. So what it is, in my house, Easter decorations are not that big. I mean, I don't have kids, there aren't kids around that often, so yeah. Easter decorations are not something that I have. However, this year everybody was coming over for Easter, and I knew I wanted to do something, but I didn't know what. I mean, I had to have something out there. So what do you do for simple Easter decorations with things which you aren't going to just purchase and then never use again? So what I did is I came up with this really quick idea. Now, it starts off with a picture of an egg. Now, you can do your egg however you want. I just traced it onto, that was actually just photo paper, traced it on there and then cut it out. I cut out a whole stack of them so that way I could use them in multiple places. Then what I did is I took torn paper and taped it onto the back of the picture. Yeah, straightforward. Traced it onto the back of the picture, taped it up there, and then put it into a picture frame, and suddenly, check it out. I mean, you have this really cool egg aesthetic, this nice sort of Easter thing, without it being in your face, day-glow Easter, because I really have never liked that even when I was a kid. This Easter look is so simple to achieve. I put out some of the stuffed animals that I have, and voila, we have something simple and subtle. Then as I was standing there looking at that, I was going, you know what? Everybody is doing that whole white on white on white look. So I thought, well, I wonder what else you could do with that. So I took my cutout of the egg and put it over a piece of newspaper. Yeah, it's that simple. You could actually do this with 10,000 different things. A collage of pictures, whatever you had. It's just so simple. I threw it into the frame and then it was done. This one is one of those ideas that just works out really, really well. In fact, I was surprised at how well it looked and how well it worked out and how good it looked. And it was simple without going way over the top. This is one of those things you can do even the night before. Yeah, you can do this the night before. And I'm giving you this one way ahead of time so that way, if you want to do it, you can get the paper. Now, I already had scrapbook paper sitting around, but if you don't have scrapbook paper, use wrapping paper. Use whatever you have, and you can then actually have this really cool thing, which you didn't really spend any money on this. If you make this would be really cool with one of those things that you can tag me in. Post it on Instagram. I would love to see what you do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you want to see me do like bigger and better projects, let me, you can always check out my Patreon. Patreon helps me afford to do those bigger projects, and it does sort of keep with my whole idea, because what I want to do is I want to do more projects that you can actually, reuse. And this is just using scraps of things that you had. You don't have to go out and buy all new stuff to do something really sort of cool. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.